In the greater world of beard color, none are quite so easy and customizable as Volt. But if you have spent any time on our website, then you probably have realized that there are many different variations of the Volt beard color kits and sets and packs, and we're gonna talk about each one of those today. So if you're curious about how you can find the exact right kit or set or pack of beard color for you, then you're gonna wanna stick around. So although at Volt we offer many different products ranging from hair products like sea salt spray to beard products like beard color, beard oil, beard balm, and pretty much anything else, it's important to note that there are many different variations of Volt in the packs that we offer so that you're getting the best value and you're paying for only exactly what you need. So let's talk about the many different ways you can get your own Volt beard color today. Now you can pick up Volt in 4 main variations. You have the full beard color kit, you have the Volt refill 2-pack, you have the Volt sample 2-pack, and you have the newly introduced Volt single pack. So what do you get in each one of these different kits? Well, let's talk about it. So the Volt Instant Beard Color Kit is the largest of the packs that you're going to find, because not only does it include a full vial of Volt Instant Beard Color, but it also includes a Volt comb for your mustache and your beard, as well as some Volt Prep and Clean. Now that Prep and Clean is a really good solution to use to clean your beard and strip your beard of a lot of the oils that may actually get in the way of the beard color as you apply it. And it actually does this without causing your beard to get too dry because it doesn't suck away the moisture. Now it's important to note that in the full vial of Volt Instant Beard Color, you're gonna get up to 30 applications of beard color depending on how much you use and how large your beard is. Now let's move on to the Volt Refill 2-pack. Now the Volt Refill 2-pack is gonna be for the person who knows already exactly what color they need for their beard. And chances are they've already bought the Volt Beard Kit before, so they have the comb and they have the Prep and Clean, and they just don't need another one by buying another full Volt kit. So we offer the Volt Refill 2-pack that is 2 full vials of color or up to 60 applications when you combine them. Now the Volt Sample Kit is going to be exactly that. These are not full vials of color. There's actually a reduced amount of the product so we can offer it at an extremely low price, and instead of getting 2 of the same color that you already know you might need, like you might get in a Refill 2-pack, with the Sample Kit you can actually choose 2 different colors. Let's say you're going back and forth between which color is right for you, and you may want to try both of them. You can choose 2 different colors, and we will include those 2 different colors in the sample sizes in that sample 2-pack. So generally, if you're really new to Volt, and let's say you take the quiz that we've created here at Volt that'll tell you exactly which color you need, I've added the link in the description below for you, but let's say you're stuck kind of between 2 colors and you want to explore both options, then you're going to want to try the sample 2-pack before doing something like committing fully to a full beard kit with the 1 color or the Refill 2-pack with the 2 full vials of the same color. So give the sample pack a shot if you're on the fence between 2 colors. It's only between I think $8 and $9, and then come back and get the refill pack or the full kit if you're looking for the comb and the Prep and Clean solution or something like that once you know your color. All right, and something that we have now done at Volt is we have newly introduced another pack, and this one is super simple, super easy. All it is a single full vial of Volt color. Maybe you don't need 2 full vials of Volt color, maybe you don't use it all that often. So what we've done is we've simplified it, we've literally cut it in half, and we've added a pack of a single full vial of Volt color. Now in every pack that we have that we put Volt Instant Beard Color in, we have the instruction manual. This just tells you exactly how to apply Volt. It's super easy, it's super quick. In fact, I think it's only like 3 steps, something like shake your vial, pull out the brush and apply it, and then you're ready to go. So if you were on the fence about which kind of Volt kit or which Volt set, or if you didn't know which colors you needed or something like that, we just wanted to give you guys every option out there so you can choose what's right for you, or you can test different colors or things like that, and you're not wasting money having to buy the full kits. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this was a helpful video. Remember to subscribe to the Volt YouTube channel. We got plenty more videos coming for you. Now if you have any questions that you would like answered from us as people who create beard products and do beard research and everything like that, we would love to make videos to help you guys out. So leave that in the comments below and we will get back to you. So thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next Volt video.